In which decade was ultrasonic testing of axle introduced in Indian Railways as a tool for preventive maintenance? Option B. What is the frequency range of ultrasonic waves in particle industrial use? Option B. Which of the following is an example of an artificial crystal used to produce ultrasonic wave? Option C. Lead, zinconate, titanate. Why is ultrasonic testing specifically required for axial with press-fitted wheel seat? Option D. The wheel seat located is inaccessible to other testing method. Which frequency is recommended for the examination of steel fusing and material with a fine-grained structure? Option C. What does a transducer probe do in an ultrasonic testing unit? Option B. It converts electrical energy into mechanical energy and vice versa. How is the CRT screen of a UFD unit typically divided along the X-ray axis? Option D. 10 equal division. What is the primary function of a couplant in ultrasonic testing? Option D. To ensure efficient sound transmission by excluding air. Which couplant is most recommended for testing on horizontal and vertical surface? Option C. Heavy oil or greases. Which standard block is used for the calibration of an ultrasonic flow detector? Option C. The dead zone in ultrasonic testing is designed as option D, the distance below the surface in which defect cannot be detected. According to the Indian Railway classification, which technique is methodology for all types of axial? Option C, far end scanning. What is the UST periodicity of carriage axle in Indian Railway? B, 18 months. Which ultrasonic testing technique uses an angular probe with an angle lower than 20 degrees? Option C, near and low angle. What is the purpose of the track delay technique? Option C, to examine the axial in small segment for confirmation of flaws. From where is the control signal typically taken during far end screening? Option C, far end fillet. What probe frequency is typically used for AFI screening of axle? Option C, 25 MHz. If an axle is suspected to have a cross-grained structure, which probe frequency should be used to confirm it? Option A, 1.25 MHz. What is the critical criteria for axle rejection during ultrasonic testing? Option A. Where is the detail of the ultrasonic test stamp on an axle? Option D. On the interior face of the hub. What is the standard reference defect used for calibrating the UST of a wheel rim? Option D. A wheel rim is rejected if any flaw indicated high is equal to or higher than. Option A, 50% of the reference defect. In wheel hub testing, what is the rejection standard regarding back echo separation? Option C, back echo less than 25% height. Which material has restricted application for USD and Indian Railways? Option D. What is the maximum penetration length possible for USD in Indian Railway components? Option B. 10 meters. Which of these is a limitation of ultrasonic testing? Option A. It requires high skill and experienced operators. What is the periodicity for UST of EMU coaches axles? Option B. 6 month. High angle scanning use an angular probe with an angle higher than option C 35 degree. How are wheels that pass the UST stand marked? Option C punch mark as UT on the back plate. The time based linearity check for UFD ensured correct position of successive pick up to what range? Option C 500 mm. Thank you.